following is taken from Way of the Rope 2. For ropes and more rope flow tutorials, go to wayoftherope.com. The double dragon. Double dragon is essentially 2 dragon rolls back to back on each side. So there's 4 revolutions to one complete pattern of double dragon. As the rope slaps the ground behind you, you pivot 180 and then dragon roll on the opposite side. Facing in the overhand position, side on, rope's coming over as it hits the ground behind, jump and pivot, keep facing in that forward direction. Rope slaps behind, hop 180, dragon roll the opposite side. This is really going to help us with some other patterns coming up. Hanumans Dance. Hanumans Dance is essentially underhand sneak and overhand sneak sequenced back to back. It's kind of a more advanced version of a dragon roll. We've got this spiral motion happening from the center of the body down the arms, down each arm, and you can pump side to side. I like to play with looking in each direction. We can see here the spiral motion down the arm as the rope comes over. Hanumans Dance. Sneak Matrix. Sneak Matrix is all 4 sides of the sneak. So we've got the underhand sneak, we've got overhand sneak, and if we apply the double dragon principles, we've got each of them on both sides. So we can see here, we're in overhand position, so overhand sneak on one side, hop 180 like we learned in the double dragon, to overhand sneak on the opposite side. We can hop back, or we've got the option to face the opposite direction and do the underhand sneak. And from the underhand sneak, we can hop 180, we can hop 180 back, or we can face the opposite direction and go into overhand sneak position. So we've always got this choice. We've got the freedom within the matrix, all 4 corners of the sneak matrix, between overhand sneak, hopping 180 to overhand sneak on the opposite side, facing the opposite way and underhand sneaking. Welcome to the matrix, the sneak matrix. Ace. There's 3 revolutions of the rope to complete one pattern of ace. It's simply a dragon roll where we leave the front hand in the overhand position. In this case, the left hand stays where it is and the back hand smashes over to meet it. And then we swing back to the front and we go again. So it's dragon roll, but the back hand comes to meet the front hand and we smash over, comes back in front, and then we go back behind again. You can do a big motion with the arm long and extended, driving the shoulder from the glutes, or we can be really precise and do more of a throwing motion like this. You can play between the 2 positions. So the hand comes into the shoulder, we spiral and rotate around and then flick forwards to program into the body good throwing mechanics, sequencing throughout the body from the ground up. Ace. Home run. There's 6 revolutions to one complete pattern of home run. It's simply a matador on one side, though we're stood in a 90-degree position to the matador, and then 2 underhand swings on the other side. So we've got underhand, underhand, pivot round the back, from there into matador. And on the second swing of the matador, it's when the home run motion happens. The drive from the hip comes up through the body. See it in normal speed here. Matador around the back, second matador, boom, comes through. Boom, hits. Underhand, underhand, matador around the back. It's important to remember you need to stay side on for this, and you need to do it on both sides as well. So we'll see here the opposite side. Underhand, underhand, as we turn around the back into overhand position. Matador drives round, we set up, and on this motion, the second one, boom, that's the drive, the hip sequences with the arm to hit the ball for 6, drive the golf ball, smash the home run, uppercut, knockout. Lunge Attack. This is a more athletic version of the matador, whereas on each swing across the body, we take a lunge. Diagonally forwards, diagonally backwards, then sideways. Diagonally forwards, diagonally backwards, and then sideways. As the arm swings and drives, so does the whole body go with it, teaching us to jump in one sequence. One strong body.